Ancora Health is a digital health company. We actually specialize in helping people modify their behavioral health choices and don't slip into a chronic condition. It is very important that we don't have a one-size-fits-all approach towards helping people make the right kind of choices that they need to make, and in terms of helping them overcome the social and environmental barriers that they face. This is what makes the idea of personalized health so compelling.
So personalized health means that health is personal. We know that people don't have the same genetics. We know that they don't have the same life experiences. Even in a family, the individuals in a family have different experiences and different goals for their health. So health is personal because we are all so different.
We believe that personalized health helps individuals in that way that they can improve their well-being. So with personal health, you can maintain your goals, or you can achieve better goals by, for example, losing weight or gaining weight or being more balanced in your life.
One or two parameters where we actually made significant step up by collaborating with TNO. It is about how an individual loses the flexibility to bounce back. That process of understanding is very unique, and that's what as a capability TNO brought to the table, without which we would have been substantially less personalized in the way in which we would be configuring our interventions for diabetes patients. So that's one. This 360-degree approach is the other big contribution that TNO brought to the table.
What TNO has brought is their long history in understanding this system we call us. And TNO has built over many years an understanding of large data. In other words, an analysis across populations, across groups of individuals. So it's really the coming together of a lot of branches of science that allow us to sort of see into the crystal ball of an individual and help them predict or plot a course to correct or maintain health based on many, many years of experience and scientific analysis. The work with TNO has allowed me to help develop programs that hopefully will be translated to the individual.
Yeah, the personalized health approach from TNO helped our business in that way that for one concept we were working on a self-test to give more insights in what a person really needs in macronutrients level. Before we got in contact with TNO, we were already working a few years on this concept, investigating if DNA tests could even help us. It is really costly, and therefore we think that the end consumer will not be able to do this on a large scale. And TNO helped us in that way that they actually showed us that it can also be done on a different way. And we eventually obtained a self-test that was able for us to achieve the goals. We really like the collaboration with TNO. We think that they are not only driven by science and giving us the insights that we need, but it's also really good to have them as a sparring partner on the business activities. We really like to thank them for the pleasant collaboration so far.